Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my new microphone that I just received from Noom. I've been looking for the best microphone for my videos, and after doing some research I decided to go with this one. Let's dive into unboxing. Here I have my knife. Let's start. As you can see, packaging is pretty good. It's in box. But it's cheap. It's near 20 bucks, $20 for this microphone. I hope you will watch my next videos and check the sound quality. I'm really impressed with the quality of this microphone. It's compact, it's easy to handle, it feels like the good one. Design is also very good. And the microphone comes just with the few accessories. It's the tripod, this one, and the cable. That's it. That's all you can get in the box for $20. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase and I can't wait to start using it in my videos. I'll be sure to do the sound test in my next video so you can hear the difference it makes. Thank you for watching, see you in next videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, see you, bye bye.